Hi guys, you see, I'm gonna walk with my uncle today now. See, I have the jacket on now. My uncle is walking now. So we're gonna drive now the car and go walk. Just you see, guys. Yeah, guys, I just want to tell you guys there. Right, peace out. And I forgot to tell you, we got the the best demo thing in life. I'm gonna show you. See those, bruh. Just type there inbox, then we'll see Temu. See, Daddy buy this for me for Christmas. You see, guys, just go and it's very loud, bro. Don't play, don't play, don't play, don't play, don't play, don't play. So I'm late for work, guys, and I'm going. See, that is my business, bro. I'm gonna work and I get some cash, bro. And every month I get some cash when I work out.